Hello guys, becoming a proficient data analyst in 6 months is an ambitious but achievable goal if you focus on core concepts and constantly practice. Here is a detailed 6-month roadmap broken into weekly tasks and learning modules to help you on your way. Now, we start from week 1 and this is our first month and first day. What we learn. Foundation and basic tools. Week 1 say week 2. Introduction to data analysis. Overview of data analyst. Understand what data analysis is, its importance and various industries where data analysts work. Basic data analyst concepts. Learn about data types, quantity versus quality, data cleaning and exploring data analysis EDA. Key concept. Descriptive statistics, measure of central tendency, mean, median, mode, measure of spread, range, variations, standard deviations and visualization. On week 3 to 4, Excel for data analysis. Excel basic. Learn to use spreadsheets effectively, formulas, functions, pivot tables, sorting, filtering, data cleaning, handle missing data, remove duplicates, use find and replace, text functions and basic conditional formatting. Visualization in Excel. Learn how to create bar charts, line graphs, histograms and pie charts. In month 2, intermediate tools and data visualization. Week 5 to 6, SQL structured query language. SQL basics. Learns to write queries to retrieve data from databases. Select, where, order, by. Joins. Understand inner, outer, left and right joins and practice with multiple tables. Aggregate functions. Group by, count, sum, average, minimum, maximum and having. Filtering and sorting data. Use filters and sorting to refine data sets. Week 7 to 8, data visualization tool. Introduction to Power BI or Tableau. Start learning how to use one of these tools to create data visualizations. Basic visualizations. Create bar charts, line charts, scatter plots and dashboards. Best practice. Learn visualization principles, clarity, simplicity, accuracy and design effective charts. On month 3rd, statistical analysis and Python. Week 9 to 10, basic statistics and probability. Descriptive statistics, mean, median, mode, standard deviations, qualities, percentiles, probability theory, basics of probability, conditional probability and probability distribution, normal, binomial, hypothesis testing, introduction to hypothesis testing, null hypothesis, etc. Week 11 to 12, introduction to Python for data analysis. Python basic. Learn Python syntax, variable, data types, loops and functions. Libraries for data analysis. Learn libraries such as Panda, data manipulation, matplotlib, visualizations and Seaborn advanced visualization. Data handling. Work with data frames, manipulate data using pandas, reading CSV, learning, filtering and grouping. In month 4, advanced Python and machine learning concepts we will learn. Week 13 to 14, data wrangling and cleaning in Python. Data cleaning. Handling missing data, outliers, duplicates and data transformations. Advanced pandas. Learn merging, reshaping and pivoting data. Explore more advanced features like apply and lambda. On week 15 to 16, we will learn introduction to machine learning, supervised versus unsupervised learning, understand the difference, focus on regression and classifications models. Scikit-learn basics. Learns about Scikit-learn library, how to split data into training and testing sets. Linear regression. Implement a simple linear regression models in Python. Logistic regression Regression, Introduction to Logistic Regression for Binary Classification Problems. On month 5th, deep dive into machine learning and business analytics. Week 17 to 18, exploratory data analysis EDA in Python. EDA techniques use Python to perform EDA for data sets, visualize distributions, correlations, and outliers. Features engineering learns how to create meaningful features from raw data. Dimensional reduction, introduction to a PCA, principal component analysis for feature reduction. Week 19 to 20, advanced machine learning, decision trees and random forests. Implement decision trees, understanding overfitting, and introduce ensembles method. K nearest neighbors, KNN. Learn how to apply KNN for classification tasks. Model evaluations, understand and apply metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and ROCAUC. 6. Capstone projects and business intelligence tools. Week 21 to 22, Introduction to Business Intelligence BI. BI tool. Advanced work with Power BI or Tableau, creating complex dashboards, integrating multiple data resources. Business Insights learns how to interpret data result in a business context and present insights clearly. On week 23 to 24, capstone projects and portfolio building. Capstone projects use the skill learned to analyze a real-world data sets, applying all steps of data analysis, data cleaning, visualization, machine learning insights. Documentation documents the project and clear explanations of data, methods, and results. Portfolio. Create an online portfolio with your project, GitHub, personal websites, and includes your capstone projects.